Hi, my name is Ian Turner. I'm 58 years old and originally from the UK. I was naturally quite apprehensive at the start of the process. To have full mouth dental implants is quite a big decision. It's a lot of work and it's a big investment in time and in money from my side. I had an initial consultation with two of the doctors here and with the whole team. Everything was explained to me in minute detail, because for me to be technical is very important, to understand the full technicalities of what will happen of the procedure. I had the whole process and the procedure explained to me in detail, and I was encouraged to ask any question. They always had a good answer, and that really filled me with confidence in their abilities to carry out the procedures as they said. I originally found Dr. Joy after doing much research using Google. Obviously, I knew I had dental problems, I had loose teeth, and I needed to find a solution. So investigating straight to dental implants for me. I didn't want any kind of bridge work. I had a very poor bite all my life. I then came across Dr. Joy. What was really important for me there was the patient testimonials like this one, to understand what people have been through, what the end results were, was the most important thing. I experienced no pain whatsoever during the procedure, and afterwards recovery was very, very quick, more than I thought would be possible. For me as well, the quality of the implants is paramount. Even the temporary sets I had were very, very realistic, and the final set are perfect. They are just like real teeth. From the outset, I found the entire team at Dr. Joy to be the most caring and professional people. I've had a lifelong fear of dentists and dental phobia going back to childhood. That has completely changed thanks to Dr. Joy. Right from the receptionist to the dental assistants, the team leader here, through to the doctors are the most caring people. They listen to even the smallest concern, and they address those concerns, and above all then they put that into action with the treatment plan. Dr. Joy Dental Clinic at Dubai Marina offer the very best balance of patient care and professionalism. They use the absolute latest technology to scan teeth and bone and to make the perfect fit for the final implant.